If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. All right, now I've been involved with network marketing opportunities for over 15 years now. So I've seen some really good ones and I've seen some trash ones. Now, a couple years ago, I joined a network marketing opportunity called Nexus Rewards, and I'm actually still a member of Nexus Rewards. They're pretty much all about cash back and savings. You can actually get paid for showing people how to save money, right? So I rock with Nexus Rewards. But almost 6 months ago, I joined LiveGood. Now, I was approached about LiveGood around 6 months ago, and the guy who got me involved with it, I knew him from another opportunity, and he approached me. He was like, yo, you really need to check this opportunity out. And at that time, I'm thinking, well, you know, I'm involved with Nexus Rewards, and I just got out of another network marketing opportunity that was absolute trash, right? So when he approached me about LiveGood, I kind of was like, you know, I ain't gonna lie, I was hesitant. I was very hesitant. I looked at it and I'm like, all right, I just kind of skimmed through it, didn't really take it serious. So somebody else had messaged me about LiveGood, right? Another person that I've been involved with in other opportunities. And so I looked at it, you know, even deeper into it, right? This guy was like, yo, really check this out. So I did. So I really did a deep dive with LiveGood, and I was very, very impressed with the opportunity, right? So having some morals, right? Instead of signing up with the guy who showed me LiveGood, the second guy who showed me LiveGood, I actually went back to the first guy who approached me about LiveGood, and I ended up joining underneath him, you know what I'm saying, to show my respect, you know what I'm saying, the network marketing loyalty, whatever. So I joined LiveGood, and it's been the best decision that I've made, you know, when it comes to making money online. Like, I am super excited about LiveGood, very, very impressed with this opportunity so far. All right. So whenever you looking into LiveGood, like maybe you're doing right now, you're going to hear a lot of hype, right? A lot of people talking about how this is changing the game. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the best thing ever, the best side hustle, best online business opportunity. You can make up to $2,000 without doing nothing. You got all this crazy people making $50,000, $100,000 a month. You hear all this stuff, right? And most people, they're all like, yeah, man, whatever. This shit ain't real. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to waste my time. I don't know, right? So I'm gonna keep it real. Like, the hype is actually real when it comes to LiveGood, especially when they talk about changing the network marketing game. All right, because usually when you hear about network marketing, it ain't no secret. You know what I'm saying? It has a bad reputation, right? When you hear about network marketing or MLM, you think about overpriced products, right? You think about people spending tons of money, right? You think about people buying all these products, having them in their garages, in their basements, and they got to pay $200 a month to stay active. That's normally what you think about when you hear network marketing. It's an ugly word, right? But LiveGood is making network marketing cool, right? It's making affiliate marketing super cool, right? And that's what I like about LiveGood. It truly is a standalone company, a standalone opportunity, and I'm seeing it because I'm involved with it. All right. This is one of the most comprehensive opportunities out there. It's simply about putting this opportunity in front of people. That's it. Like, get your tour page, right? Your opt-in page, just get it out in front of people. And the presentation that people get, it does all the work for you. It breaks down LiveGood, the company, the opportunity, the products, the earning potential, everything is laid out. So you as a member, you know, who's trying to build up your business, all you got to do is just get that link out there. It's no complicated, you know, compensation plan. It's not all of these crazy like BV, SV, SVU, whatever, right? It's none of that. It's just straightforward and simple, right? And that's something that network marketing companies have been lacking for a long, long time. The simplicity. true earning potential, right? A lot of network marketing companies, people get involved, and it's a known thing that nobody's really making money in these companies, right? A lot of these people do not make money with these companies, but with LiveGood, a lot of people are making money with LiveGood, and a lot of people are making really good money with LiveGood, and a lot more people are just making, some nice side hustle cash, extra income. This is really happening right now. So when I think about, in the future, like, okay, well, maybe what if there's another network marketing opportunity, right? Like, would I get involved with it? And honestly, I just don't see another opportunity coming that can compete with LiveGood, right? Now, like I said, I do like Nexus Rewards. I'm still a member of Nexus Rewards. But if it wasn't for, me already being a member of Nexus Rewards, like LiveGood without a doubt would be the only network marketing company that I would be involved with, because the people behind the company is like cool, right? The members that LiveGood, especially people on my team, is very helpful, very supportive. It's not competitive, right? And if it is, it's very friendly competitive, right? The products are really good. The earning potential is absolutely ridiculous. Like, when you get involved with LiveGood and you see how you can start earning money and how people are actually making $10,000, $30,000, even up to $100,000 a month. That's what the top earners making right now. When you actually see how this is happening, it is extremely motivating. All right. So with all that being said, without a doubt, after LiveGood, right, I'm done. You know what I'm saying? This is it, right? I'm rocking with LiveGood. Super, super tough right now. So if you were somebody watching this and you were debating like, yo, should I get involved? You know what I'm saying? I want to get involved with network marketing, but is this the one? Is this the right one for me? I highly suggest you really take a look at it and give it a shot. Because I ain't going to lie to you, all right? If you can't be successful, if you can't make any money in LiveGood, I truly doubt that you will be able to make any money with another network marketing opportunity. That's just my opinion, all right? So if you actually do want to get started with LiveGood, all you need to do, of course, click that first link in the description and check out the 5-minute free tour. I'm sure you're going to be blown away after watching this. So I would just see you on the team.